Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now, gather the essentials, and move. You need level 45 or higher and 3 Athena key fragments. Combine them at the forge to form the entry key. Once done, fast travel to the Sanctuary Gate node and approach the rear service path to avoid patrols. Make sure stealth gear and noise-dampening boots are equipped. This reduces detection by 60%. Save your game before you attempt the gate. A rollback prevents costly repeats. You move deeper through the inner defenses with intention. Follow the shadow corridors and use single, controlled sprints to slip between rotating light cones. Timing matters because the detection window is narrow. Once inside, locate and neutralize 3 Guardian runes, press and hold the interact for 4 seconds, then move immediately. Deploy a decoy drone to pull patrolling sentries away. When you must engage, use silent takedowns to preserve stealth and conserve resources. Keep checking the minimap for new patrol routes. You reach the vault and prepare the final procedure. Insert the combined Athena key and begin aligning tumblers. Move each dial smoothly and finish within 10 seconds to avoid a partial lockout. Once the door opens, place the relic on the insulated tray to prevent corruption. Handle with gloves to avoid attunement drain. If an alarm triggers, enact the preset evade route. Throw a smoke, sprint to the fallback beacon, and reload the last save if necessary. Make sure to re-equip stealth gear before extraction.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.